ang s'mores. First off, you need ingredients, okay? Isang chocolate, isang graham crackers, isang tusok, ganito, isang candy, and a marshmallow.
Can you say pasok na?
Okay, pasok na. Okay. Sandali lang, mainit, okay? Ito kulay pink. Okay? Okay.
What's Tagalog of pink?
Pink. Okay.
It's spelled pink.
You're supposed to instruct me what to do.
Okay. Take mo ang marshmallow, itusok. And then,
Smart girl.
lagyan. Lagyan mo sa unahan. Oh, wag kang magpasok. Sige.
Oh my God.
Mga 2 to 3 minutos.
That's too
That's too long. Oh, it's very...
I-blow.
Blow. Yo, Tagalog blow, Tagalog. Tagalog blow.
Hey, assistant. Dalawang graham crackers, please.
Gram.
Sige.
This is a Filipino show. Is it too late for divorce?
Lagay mo.
I told you there was
Sa
not
graham sandwich. Sige.
Where's the chocolate? Oh, boo.
Take two.
Chocolate. No, graham cracker lady.
Wait.
Ooh, the s'mores lady.
Kasi ang gulo-gulo dito, ang daming tao.
Pero
Kasi ang daming sexy dyan.
Excuse me, do you
Just
think...
start to
Sunog. Chocolate.
Okay? Ganyan.
Finished product.
And then,
The finished product is burned.
slowly, remove. Putok.
Ayaw mo remove.
And then, ilik mo. Yan. Isang graham cracker. And then, sinagat. Sarap.
I'm not even taking her back.
Thank you.
I told you when you married her, I wasn't taking her back.
Did you get the Even the bad word is in there too. It's okay. It's good. Oh my God, it's
Amber, this is getting ready for your show. What's it called? Crib? Filipino version?
That's all.
Yeah, there is.